Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see HTML link. So I'll continue with this same program. A tag is used for HTML link. If we want to open the link in the same web page, then we have to provide the value as underscore self for target attribute. How to do that? I'll show you. Type it here, a tag, enter, and here we will give the link. I'm giving Google link. You can give any other link. HTTPS google.com and target we need to give underscore self and this link, how it will display on the web page, we will give the name for the link. So I'll give Google itself. So it will display our link as Google name. Control S and right click on the screen and open with live server. So we will get our link as Google on the web page. See, when we will click on this Google link, it will open Google page on the same window. It will not change the window. See here. It opened our window on the same web page. Now, if we want to open our Google link on another web page, another window, so what we will do, we will change here the target as blank. Control S, go to your web page and refresh your web page and check it here. Click on this Google, it will open in another window. See our Google page. We got one more window. See. What will happen in case we are not giving any target? Remove this target and value. If we are not giving any target, Control S, so default value will be, it will open on the same page. Control S and go to your web page, refresh. I did not give any target, so let's see what will happen. It will open on the same web page, our Google page. Check it here. Got it. Now we will see one more tag, that is abbreviation tag we will see. So HTML attributes, we have a ABBR tag. It is used for HTML abbreviation. Means if we want to give a description like specification for any code word, so just we need to mouse over the element, we can see the description for that code word. So how we will use that? Type it here ABBR abbreviation tag and give the value like code word value. So I'll give as soon as possible. And for this line, we have code word ASAP. Control S. So we will see the ASAP on the web page, and when you mouse over this element, you can see this code word description. Control S, go to your web page and refresh. Okay. I did not. Okay. Right click, open with live server. video now. We will get ASAP. See, when you mouse over the element, you can see the description as soon as possible. Now, if you want to give any other, so let's change. Suppose I'll give hypertext markup language. For that, we have code word HTML. Control S, go to your web page, and automatically it got refreshed. See, when you mouse over the element, it will display hypertext markup language. So this is the use for abbreviation. HTML link nodes. Everything I have shown you as with example. And if you feel my videos helped you, do like and comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.